Welcome to the second episode of Cook with a Line. And today in this video I'll be cooking shallow fried chicken #Gordon Ramsay style. So let's do this. So the main ingredient for the shallow fried chicken will be chicken. Yay! Now start off with the marination. I have prepared the curd already, so we'll just dip all of them in the curd. Marination done. It's not done yet. We have to gently do it like this.
Just mix it all over. Yeah.
So I've marinated the chicken and we will let it rest for 3 hours minimum and fridge. Bye bye. After that we'll fry it. So for now, stay tuned. So the chicken has rested almost 5 hours and it's time for the seasoning. For the seasoning we need flours. We'll put 2 big tablespoons of salt, I think 2.5, and 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of turmeric, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, and this is chicken masala powder. 1.5 is enough. And now we will just by hand just gently mix this. Look at that beautiful color. Look at that beautiful color, guys. So we'll do this one by one. Need another plate container.
I'll go with this piece first. So first this piece goes here. A little bit of nice and firm. It becomes crispier. Who said breadcrumbs are only things that make chicken crispier? Simple and easy. One done. Second, I'll go with the wings. In this round I'll do 4 pieces. So this is
Down with the extra and lay it down. So now we'll fry them. Bye bye. Okay, now we'll put oil. After the water is all drained, I just washed it, so it's water. Now on a piping hot pan, put oil up to 2 centimeters. I think I'm gonna run out of oil, so I have to take out another packet, so I'll cut that part. I ran out of oil. Now when the oil is piping hot, then or overheated, then drop some oil. Mine is just perfectly fine, so I'll just lay it down. The wing, my favorite. Just lay there, like that. The last piece of the batch. No, I think the second last, because I think one more will be. Did it right there. Okay, that's looking great. Now cook that truly for 25 minutes. I'll come back once one side is cooked, and bye bye. So I've turned all the chicken pieces and look at the color, everyone. Look at that brown color. It's a woodish brown color, and the crunch I can just tell by just placing this I don't know what this is, but by placing this tongue I can just tell that it's so crispy and the inside is cooked, and I just want to eat this half layer because I'm so hungry right now. It's okay, I'll see you after another 12 minutes guys, so stay tuned. Now it's perfectly cooked in both sides. Look at that guys, this side and this side. Yay, one done. Make sure you drop all the oil right into the pan because you don't want it soggy. The extra oil will ruin the flavor that you had seasoned. So make sure you remove like this gently. Don't be harsh on your chicken. Perfect. And that's the first batch done. We'll have more 2 batches which I will not include in the video, so bye bye.